Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I am super excited because I'm doing this unboxing. I haven't worn it, I haven't done anything, just super excited. I've been looking for a nice, I don't want to say a summer purse, but now being in Florida, I found that all the clothes that I have been purchasing has been like pink, blue, but not like winter clothing blue or a dark pink. No, it's been powder blue, light pink, baby pink, and just brighter clothing. But so yeah, my wardrobe has changed a little bit. This isn't as bright, but yeah, it's not as dreary as it once was. I normally do navy, black, and I do whites as well, but yeah. So I purchased the Givenchy small Antigona leather satchel. This is my first big luxury purchase. Yeah, I don't buy luxury items like this at all normally. I'm not a huge handbag person. I do like handbags. I think they're lovely. But I would say I'm not obsessed or even close to obsessed with handbags or anything of that nature. But I did want a nice handbag, and I've been kind of looking at this season and saying, okay, you know what? I want a nice handbag. Having a baby and want to be able to put stuff in it because I normally like smaller purses. You guys can normally see that I buy smaller purses, or I just like to take a wallet. So anyway, blah 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 blah. I bought this purse and let's unbox it. I'm so excited. But it was between this and I was looking at two Gucci purses that I really liked. The 1955 Horsebit small leather top handle bag. Yeah, and the medium zoomy bag. And I was looking at the zoomy bag is a little bit more, or is more, but the other one is comparable in price to the Givenchy. The Givenchy bag, this retails for $2,290. So I feel like that means it's gonna last my entire lifetime. Which it doesn't mean that, and they don't claim that, by the way. So yeah, I decided on this one because I like the Gucci ones, and I like the Gucci ones because they were understated. I like more understated things where it's not necessarily you can see it all over the bag. I have no problems with those, but I wanted something that you didn't necessarily know if it was designer or not designer. It just looked like a nice handbag, well-made handbag. So I'm taking forever to get into unboxing this thing. First, let me tell you about it. This comes in different sizes as well, by the way. It comes in a mini, small, and large as well. The large one was a little bit too big for me, but the small one I felt was right on par with kind of my height and all that stuff. Now, the size is, it's 11 inches wide, 9 inches high, and 6.5 inches deep. And it has a 4-inch strap drop, 14 inches shoulder strap drop, and it's 2.5 pounds on its own, which is a pretty heavy purse. I got it in oil blue, and it is beloved by street style mavens and well-polished women the world over. Givenchy's Antigona satchel is done here in richly dyed leather, importing subtle texture to this classic structured style. A chic, compact size, rolled top handles, and an optional shoulder strap add versatility to the fashionable bag. I did not get the smooth leather, I got the pebbled leather. But if I really like this one, I might get the smooth leather because the smooth leather looks so sophisticated and yeah, it just looks sophisticated. It's lined, it's leather, and when I think about Givenchy, I think about Audrey Hepburn. And how he basically made all of her clothes for like the different movies, Sabrina, My Fair Lady, and just for her personal closet as well. Of course, Givenchy, the person, is no longer alive, but just, I love Audrey Hepburn. I think she's just the epitome of class. But anyway, oh my gosh. The smell, I pulled it out of the box and the smell is like a new car smell. Like if you have leather seats in your car and you get in, even if it's test driving, buying it, whatever, and you're like, it's that new car smell. It smells so fresh. So it comes in a dust bag, Givenchy Palette. Makes you feel all French. Oh, okay. So excited. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Yeah. How cute is that? The silver hardware. They really made sure they did everything to, you know what this bag looks like? It looks durable. And I don't mean it in a bad way, but to some extent, you know what it kind of gives you that look like? It kind of gives you that look like a structured Coach bag, except the Coach bag would be considerably less. And yeah. Oh, it has feet. Oh, okay. So when I set it down, I won't get that clicking sound. The feet are actual leather. Yeah. Oh, this is such a good size, right? Okay, let's see. OMG. Oh. And then the Givenchy name. I like that it's understated. I just do. Has silver hardware. Oh, look at that. This is a beautiful color. I love the color. Love the color. When I saw it, I loved the color. Okay, has a chunky zipper. Let me see if I can open it or do I need both hands? Oh, trying to open this with one hand is difficult. I need both hands. Ooh. Oh, yeah. Opening this can be difficult. I need both hands, the chunky zipper. When I open it, okay. All right, so inside, I have a pocket right here, probably for a cell phone, and right here, anything else. I like that. And over here is a zip pocket. And how deep is it? Oh, it goes all the way to the bottom of the bag. So it's a fairly deep pocket. Just a beautiful bag. Okay, let me open this up. Alright, it comes wrapped really nicely. Try and make sure that quality assurance is up. I like the silver. I don't mind gold either, but I do like the silver. It's pretty. Okay. So it's not something that they're looking for you to cross body with. Not with this. Okay, so how do you put this on here is this right here has a groove right here. See that? And this has a groove. And you just click it onto there, push it in. All right. Yeah, there we go. Okay, yeah, so this is, I don't know if I would use it with the strap because the strap is short. I think I will always just use it with as a carry. Yeah. I'm super excited. I love the purse. I think it's beautiful. I'm excited to start wearing it. I now need to find one of their wallets, a nice wallet to go with it, because I didn't see one that specifically went with the purse. So yeah, I hope that helped you guys see if it's something that you want to purchase or liked or not. But I love it. Oh my gosh. And this is just me fangirling out on this purse. And I'm not a handbag person, but this is beautiful. And it's structured, and I like that. Yeah. Okay. I will see you guys next time. And thank you so much for watching. Bye.